Masira machielo nyakoro mgajwanga nyuola ji ariyo mano wito ngimagi e dho wath ma Jomo Kenyatta Public Beach Mombasa koro koni wedegi dine ores kadine piny owacho keto chenro malong'o mano mar jiwo arita e dho nam. Magine giwacho katen migawo mochung' ne chenro mag nam bende koro kumo wach goyo abal ei nam e tok saa 11:30 mano mar odhiambo kaluwore gi masirano manyo timore odhiambo manyoro. Wayudo sigano koya kuom jafwambo mar Mombasa Joja oko koleronwa wachno.
Mor manokelo gi Mombasa e nyasi mar sikuku ne olokore kuyo bang' anyuola ne wito ngima ji wetegi ariyo e masira mar nam kuma yie mane gisuore godo nimo kodgi e dho nam ma Pirates Beach. Anyuola ni mar ji mohewo 15 ne oriko biro timo limbe Mombasa kowuok Nairobi kendo ne gichopo e dho wath ma Jomo Kenyatta goyo abal e ka 11 kuomgi ong'ado mar suore gi yie e nam.
Initially my sister requested we just go for a boat ride. So we were just, insisting that we don't want to go, but now we came to a position where we said, okay, fine, let's go.
I asked about the life jackets as well, but he said, no, there won't be any problem. We'll just go and we'll just come back. Yeah, and we started moving on.
The engine was not starting. So the rider, the boat captain was trying to start the engine. And we jumped out of the boat, 3 of us, me, my grandchild, and my son-in-law, one of the son-in-law. We said maybe it's overloaded, and we said that we don't require the boat now, because it seems the boat maybe is faulty. But the guys insisted, no, the boat is fine, we can go. He wanted me not to get out of the boat as well. But forcefully, I just jumped out.
Gikoni apaka ne ochako goyo yieno mabende ne gichichgo ni ok ne kare magichwe ginimo kargi ji 11 go duto kaeto ariyo kuomgi ne owito ngimagi ka ochiko to oresi.
They saw the water. They said we just turn back. And at that moment I also told the boatman, yeah, let's just turn back. He said we are looking for the radar so that we can turn. And we were all, at that time there was no one nearby, no boat, nothing.
Kata kamano, gikoni jowete gidino resi, ka piny owacho dine keti chenro makare magarita e dho nam, to chutho e kinde ni maoganda mathoth timo limbe kuno.
Still, they could be saved, you know, if the coast guards were there. See? Life jackets were there. Because if the coast, you know, we were struggling in the water for around 20-25 minutes with all the family members inside there. We were shouting for the boats. It was just good luck that after 25 minutes we got a passenger boat to help us.
There were no ambulances. At least they should have gone to the hospital immediately. So one of the lady was taken by a police car, and the driver was not came a bit late over there.
En gino masani koro miyo jatend migawo mar chenro mag nam Salim Vuria kumo wach goyo abal e tok saa 11 modhiambo.
Kuanzia leo hapa ikifika saa 11:30 hatutarajii kutakuwa na mtu yoyote katika ufuo wa bahari.
Ajali hutokea. Swala ni sisi wenyewe kama serikali tunafanya nini? Tuliweza kuweka watu, hata mwenyewe mkitoka mnaona inspectorate wako all over, magari yako kila pahali, na sasa hivi tunasema kwa tunaongeza boti zile ambazo kwamba zitakuwa zinazunguka katika fuo hizi.
There was no life jacket, you know, there should be safety measures there. You know, there should be a limit to the boat. Limited people should enter the boats.
A very big loss to our family and our entire community, and we make sure that other people should not have this problem what we have faced at the moment. It's a very sad moment for us.
Ogolo chik mondo miyo non yiedhi duto mar neno ni giluwo chike moketi magayo masiche makamago.
Kwa hivyo tumeagiza maafisa wetu wote katika ufuo wa bahari na katika ziwa Victoria waweze kukagua zile life jackets zote ambazo zinatumika, wakague pia boti zote na vyombo vyote vya baharini ambayo inatumika saa hii na kule ziwa Victoria, ili kuhakikisha zinatimiza vile viwango vya usalama.
Magina giwacho kariwruog musalaba makwar kachiel kod Kenya Maritime Authority ojiwo jogo duto matimo limbe dhoo widhi mondo mi omed bedo motang'.
Wakija sehemu kama hizi, wazazi wetu wawe wawajibike zaidi, because ni muhimu wakati huu tunaelekea mwaka mpya, tunataka tumalize vizuri, Christmas ikushe vizuri.
Kwa hivyo tuchukue majukumu yetu kama wazazi, tuchukue majukumu yetu kama watalii ambao wanatembea humu, tuchukue majukumu yetu kama serikali, tuhakikishe kwamba ile maisha ya wananchi yanakuwa kipaumbele.
George Aoko, Ramogi TV, Mombasa.